Most crocheters are taught to follow patterns, not how to understand them. We're taught how to count stitches and rows. We're told what yarn to use, what hook to use. And when things don't turn out the way that we expect them to, we frog it, we redo it, and then we're told to just trust the process. But nobody ever explains or teaches what that process actually is. Well, I'm going to tell you. That process is the rhythm, it's the structure, it's the design logic behind every single pattern. We need to slow down. We need to look closer because crochet isn't just about making stitches. It's about seeing the why behind them. On this channel, you'll learn to think like a designer, to understand patterns as systems rather than hardcore facts. Visualize projects before you begin so that you can anticipate changes and how to make creative choices with confidence. Together, we're going to explore shape, texture, tension, how they work together, and how each design decision tells part of the story. This is Crochet Theory Design. This is where we explore the patterns within the patterns. This is where perspective is literally everything. Now, if you've ever felt like there's something more to crochet than just following steps, you're definitely in the right place. It's time to start seeing crochet in a completely new way.